Hello dear friend, welcome to this new video. In this video I will show you how to create card for your website. It is very interesting thing, and you can show image, also text in very interesting form in card. So I will create a responsive card like this. For example, it has a hour, it has an icon, also it has a button here and text. And as you can see, it is for Shitox group. So it is also responsive. As you can see, now the size is small and the card is like this. And when I large size, it has 2 column, and in very large size it has 3 column. So how to create like this, I will show you the code. You can also repeat this code. You can also practice this code by skipping the video. You can practice this. Also, I will put this code in my GitHub, and you can go there, copy that, and use it in your project. But I recommend that you skip the video, and by skipping you can write it very calm. So here we have a link, .awesome. It is a website. You can go there and to the .awesome.com and find your interesting icon. Use it like this. I will show you how to use it. You can use icon like this. Find the class name and use the I tag. So also we have a CSS link. So I will show you this code very slowly. So you can skip the video, write this, and learn it. So this was the HTML code, and now I will show you the CSS codes. Here is the root, the color that you will use in your project. Also we have font and section. So this is the CSS code. By skipping the video you can write. So this was the code, and that is the output of this code. So you can write, you can practice this, you can learn something from this. So this was for today. I hope that you enjoy it. Make sure that you hit subscribe button, make sure that you hit the like button, and stay with us. We will show very interesting thing here on my YouTube channel. So this was for today. See you next time. Bye bye.